welcome back to a new video. Today I am incredibly excited because I am finally gonna unbox these watch bands. These are the 2020 Apple Pride watch bands and I am super duper stoked. The sports edition watch band actually arrived like a month ago and the Nike edition watch band literally just arrived like 2 or 3 days ago. I really wanted to unbox both of them at the same time, so I waited. Patience is a virtue, so I waited for both of them to arrive before I tear them open and unbox them. If you're wondering about this little band-aid here that I have, I accidentally cut myself with a scissors. So, yep. Okay, let's open this. Whew. Okay, Mindy, chill down. Woo! This is the Nike. Oh my gosh, the box looks so different, guys. It's a black box. This is the Nike Edition Pride watch band. Wow. Kind of happy that I don't have to use the scissors to open this. I should not be trusted with anything sharp, right?
Yeah.
Second one. Okay. And this, yes, this is the very, very typical white color box. Oh, okay. You're in a rush to come out, aren't you? See, Apple makes it so easy to open it without any knives or scissors. Thank you, Apple. I'm very appreciative. Anyway, here they are. Wow, white and black. Oh, okay, we're gonna see this first because we saved the best for last. Oh, look at you! Oh my gosh, it still smells so new and good. Look at the beauty of the watch bands. Okay, breathe. Okay, we're gonna use the smaller ones. These feel so good and so premium. Next to you. Wow! So it writes here, this is the collaboration of Apple with Nike. It is actually the first time ever that Nike and Apple are collaborating to create watch bands. Oh my god, you beautiful thing! This is so freaking sexy. I love it. Wow, this is so sexy. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but the colors and the holes is just... It smells good, it smells Apple new and fun, and I love it. So on the back of both boxes, it actually writes here that Apple and Nike are proud to financially support LGBTQ advocacy organizations working to bring about positive change. So on Apple's official site, it does say that it is supporting organizations like GLSEN, PFLAG, the Travel Project, Gender Spectrum, the National Center for Transgender Equality, and ILGA World. So technically, yes, by buying these watch bands, you are supporting LGBTQ organizations, but you don't know how much of what you spend is actually going in there. So if you are actually passionate about helping out and supporting these LGBTQ organizations, it may be better if you're donating to those organizations directly. But yeah, that aside, I am still super happy with this, and I'm kind of still happy that part of what I paid to Apple will be going to these organizations. So I currently own the 2019 Apple Pride watch band, and it is made of nylon, not like these. These are silicone. So these are definitely more sweat resistant than these nylon watch bands. Fun thing, Apple actually creates new watch faces customized to how these watch bands are. For example, this brand new 2020 Pride edition. Look at this! It is super cool because like it matches, everything just freaking matches. I love it so much. And you see, you twist the digital crown and this thing would jiggle and wobble, and it's so fun. It's like my favorite thing ever. Or you can actually just tap on the screen. Yeah, it works. Yes, you can tap on the screen and you can see it jiggle and wiggle and wobble. It's like my favorite thing ever and I love it. As you can see, these lines are actually not perfectly straight because it's Pride. Okay, that was a very, very bad joke. This Pride Edition sports band is assembled by hand, and the strips are then machine die cut and compression molded together, and this results in subtle variations in the wavy rainbow design, and each strap is artfully unique. Mine is unique, the one that you buy is going to be unique, and I don't know, there's just something about how unique each watch band is that makes me like it so much. Yeah, this is definitely something I will never give up and sell, no matter what. I know that these 2019 sports band edition has been discontinued and you can never get it again, so like people are actually paying quite a lot to get these, and I'm never selling these because it's one of my precious collection. It's just like how you collect antique watches, antique clocks, stamps. This are my favorite collections. Let's put on the one full of holes. Wow, oh my gosh, this first time ever am I wearing a white-ish Nike sports band. Really love it. It's like so subtle and yet it's still there. So freaking sexy. I can definitely imagine myself running, cycling, or like just going out with this. You are my new go-to. Like, I'm always afraid of getting white stuff because often white stuff gets dirty very easily under my care. I don't care. For this, I'm gonna make an exception for you. I'm gonna wear you almost like every single day from now on, unless like something nicer comes along. And these bands are actually not all. Apple actually came out with many more watch faces this year for Pride. I can count like 5 at least. So this is the first one. This is the second one with the rainbow thing, and it actually changes color as time passes. If you wait long enough, you can see that. This circular one as well, and then you have the time. The time thing is my favorite because you get to see the rainbow stuff. Sleek and simplistic and minimalistic, and you have this one that's filled and one that's empty. In a way, Apple did create and come up with a lot of stuff for us to celebrate Pride this month, this year. 2020 is crazy, but we'll make do with whatever we have. So I guess it's a good time to say Happy Pride, everyone. I know because of COVID-19 and everything that's going on in the world, Pride parades have been cancelled, but it doesn't mean that we stop celebrating Pride. I mean, the whole year, it can be Pride for you if you want it. But I know Pride in June means a lot of things to many people. For me, what Pride means is to have that safe space to be your authentic self, having that community that accepts you no matter who you are, no matter who you love. There isn't any judgments. Love is love. You are valid no matter who you are and who you love. I think I said that many times, but yes, that is what Pride is to me. Yeah, that's it for today. Let me know which bands are your favorite. This is my favorite. Shh, don't tell the rest. And happy Pride, everyone! I look forward to hearing about how you celebrate Pride individually, or if you do at all. Take care, be safe, wear a mask. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay maintained, cherry. Goodbye.